Once again, Manzoor Pashtun has repeated the same old recycled accusations, turning every local incident into an international drama just to attack Pakistan. This is not about Pashtun rights, it is part of a bigger agenda that wants to paint Pakistan as an enemy of its own people, while completely ignoring the decades of terrorism Pakistan has fought and thousands of lives it has sacrificed. Let's start with the basics. Pashtun blaming the Pakistan army for every death in KP is dishonest and deliberate. He never tells you that Lucky Marwat and Bannu are frontline districts where terrorists constantly infiltrate from Afghanistan. Security checks and operations exist because TTP has killed thousands of Pashtuns, but PTM hides the truth very intentionally. Then comes the claim of daily killings and disappearances. This is nothing but emotional blackmail. Pakistan's courts, parliament, and media openly question security matters all the time. But PTM ignores these facts and continues to push a foreign written script that tries to portray the state as a monster. Real Pashtun voices do not stand with this narrative. And when the PTM says they are struggling globally despite bans and arrests, they actually expose themselves. Their real audience is outside Pakistan, not inside KP. A genuine movement gains trust at home. It does not run propaganda tours across Europe looking for sympathy. Submitting evidence to EU members is also nothing new. PTM routinely sends one-sided reports prepared by the same foreign groups that target Pakistan diplomatically. But they never mention TTP attacks, cross-border terrorism, bombing of schools, or the target killings of Pashtuns by militants. Half-truths are not evidence, they are propaganda. And the most telling part, Pashtun's silence on terrorism. He never condemns TTP. He never acknowledges the Pashtun elders, teachers, police officers, and children killed by militants. A man who cannot condemn terrorists has no moral right to lecture Pakistan on human rights. These are the same people who threatened state institutions, glorified anti-state elements in their gatherings, and now suddenly cry about oppression. Pakistan has every right to regulate groups that harm national security and promote external agendas. The reality is simple. Pashtuns as a community stand with the state, not with Pashtun's divisive politics. PTM represents a narrow, externally supported network, not the millions of patriotic Pashtuns who suffered because of terrorism and whose lives were protected by Pakistan's security forces. This is the real picture, clear, factual, and without propaganda.